AI is replacing 3D artists. And honestly, some of them deserve to be replaced. But here's the truth nobody is telling you. AI is not the real threat. And if you understand this early, you could actually have a massive advantage. Because right now, there's one mistake most 3D artists are making with AI, and it's the exact reason they're falling behind. I'll show you what that is in a minute. Let's be real for a second. AI isn't coming. It's already here. And it's not just hype anymore. Right now, there are tools that can generate full 3D concepts from a simple text prompt, create realistic textures in seconds, help you block out scenes faster than ever, even assist with animation and lighting. And if you've been in 3D for a while, you can feel the shift. Because what used to take you, let's say, 6 hours, now takes someone else 30 minutes. Same result, sometimes even better. And that's the part that scares people. It feels like, wait, all the time I spent learning this, is it becoming useless? But here's where most people misunderstand what's happening. AI is not suddenly making great artists out of beginners. Let me say that again. AI does not automatically give you taste, creativity, storytelling, design sense. It just gives you speed. So what's actually happening is this. The gap between artists is getting wider. Beginners can now create things faster. But experienced artists? They're becoming dangerous. Because now they can execute ideas faster, iterate more, experiment without wasting time. Let me give you a simple example. Before AI, you had an idea. You spent hours modeling, then texturing, then lighting, and maybe it didn't even turn out how you imagined. Now, you can generate 10 ideas in minutes. Pick the best one, build on it, refine it, and suddenly, your creative output explodes. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If your value as a 3D artist is only based on, I know how to click buttons in software, then yes, AI is a problem for you. Because software skills can be automated. But thinking? That's different. And this leads to something most people don't realize yet. Some 3D jobs will disappear. Not all, but the ones that are repetitive, predictable, low creativity, those are already being replaced. And I know that sounds harsh, but it's actually good news. Because it forces you to level up. And this is where things start to shift. Because the artists who understand this one idea are the ones who are about to win big in this new era. AI is not replacing 3D artists. It's replacing outdated workflows. And this is where things get interesting. Because there are actually two types of 3D artists right now. And one of them is about to dominate the industry. Type 1. The artist who ignores AI. They say, AI is cheating. I want to do everything manually. And slowly, they get left behind. Then there's type 2. The artist who uses AI like a weapon. They generate ideas, faster create references, instantly speed up boring tasks, focus more on creativity. And guess what? Clients don't care how you made it. They care about speed, quality, results. And type 2 artists win. Every time. Now remember that mistake I mentioned earlier? Here it is. Most 3D artists are trying to compete with AI instead of combining with it. And that's exactly why they're losing. Let me explain this in a real way. A lot of artists right now are saying, I spent 5 hours modeling this from scratch. I don't use AI, I do it the real way. And yeah, that sounds impressive. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The client doesn't care how long it took you. They care about how fast you deliver, how good it looks, and whether it solves their problem. So while one artist is spending 5 hours doing everything manually, another artist is using AI to generate a base idea in minutes, build faster, iterate more, and deliver quicker. Same result, but one of them gets paid more and gets more opportunities. And this is where most people get it wrong. They think using AI makes them less of an artist. But that's like saying, using reference images makes you fake. Using Blender instead of hand sculpting is cheating. It doesn't make sense. AI is just a tool, and tools don't replace artists. Artists who refuse to evolve replace themselves. Let that sink in, because the real competition is not you versus AI. It's you versus someone who knows how to use AI better than you. And here's the scary part. That person doesn't have to be more talented than you. They just have to be faster, more efficient, and more adaptable. So if you're sitting there thinking, I'll just ignore AI and focus on improving my skills, you're already falling behind. Not because you're not good, but because the game has changed. And the moment you realize this, everything starts to shift. So what should you actually do? Simple. Start integrating AI into your workflow right now. Not to replace your skills, but to amplify them. Use AI to brainstorm ideas, generate references, speed up repetitive tasks, and spend your real energy on creativity, storytelling, design decisions, because that's what AI can't replace. And here's the crazy part. The artists who learn this early are going to grow way faster than everyone else. But there's still one big question. Will AI make it easier to become a 3D artist or harder to stand out? Short answer, both. Easier to enter, but much harder to stay average. Which means if you're serious, this is actually your opportunity. Because in the AI era, average artists struggle, but smart artists, they scale. So if you want to stay ahead as a 3D artist in this new era, make sure you subscribe. Because in the next videos, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI in your 3D workflow step by step. And trust me, you don't want to be learning this late. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to expose you. The question is, which side will you be on?